shoes for me, clothes for her. Even if I had enough sponsors and team naman behind my back, he was still there. Kaya kung ano man to, thank you again sa
Open! 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 Open!
Oh my God.
Oh my God!
Ano yan? Ano yan?
Open.
Collections? Oh, it's a special Barbie!
Oh, dalawa. 100,000 yan.
Thank you very much, Sir Bote. Ayan. Very nice. It's so thoughtful of Mr. Bote. Okay, once again, photo up with the FB page or please, Sir Borge, please join us.
Papa Boy!